Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Today's video we'll be making this perfectly slow cooked leg of lamb. If you'd like to know how to make it, stay tuned. I started by cutting my lamb leg to allow the spices and things to penetrate through, and then I made my marinade, which consisted of olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper, vinegar, rosemary, and thyme. Coat your meat with the marinade, making sure to get all areas, and then stuff some garlic cloves in the meat before wrapping it up really well and letting it marinate overnight. I let my meat marinate overnight. You don't have to, but I recommend that for extra flavor. Wrap your lamb really well with foil and parchment paper, then put it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for 4 hours. While that's going, I started on my rice. For the rice, I used the ingredients listed above. after 4 hours of cooking, you want to get your lamb and flip it and then wrap it up real well again and put it back for another 2 hours. 1 hour 30 minutes you want to cook it covered, and then for the last 30 minutes uncover it. There you have it, you guys, a mouth-watering roasted leg of lamb that's tender, flavorful, and perfect for the holidays. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you get to try this recipe, let me know how you like it down in the comments. But that was all for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!